Okay, today we're going to work on some more of our letters. We're going to work some more on R, but let's read our book first. I'd like you to put your finger on the table or on a piece of paper or on the carpet, wherever you're sitting. Just put your finger of the hand you write with and trace along with me. J says J, like jump. Top of the attic. K says K, like the word kind. Start at the ceiling this time, and this stick goes into the basement. P says P, like popcorn. Now we're going to read this word. P, G, pig. C, hop to the top of the attic. H says Ch. Let's read this word. Ch, ick, chick, just like chick. U says remember to poke yourself in the belly and go just like umbrella. Please come stand under the umbrella with us. D, mud. The pig is in the mud. Top of the attic. B says B, just like bat and ball and the game baseball. B, A, G, bag. And there's a bag. Start at the top of the ceiling. R is this is a lowercase r, and it's a small letter. It just stays in the little house. R says R. And remember, it's not This is the beginning sound, R. R says R, just like rat. R, a, t, rat. All right, and there's a nice picture of a rat, and we drew that the other day on our whiteboard. Okay, now get out a piece of paper and let's practice our bumpy letter. You can put something bumpy underneath it if you want to, or you could do it with some chalk, or you could do anything to make it just a little bit more so you can feel it. Okay, we start at the top of the ceiling. We do a small line down and a small line up and a small curve. R says R. Crayon down, finger on the dot. R says R. All right, let's go over to the next one. R says R. Crayon down, finger on the dot. R says R. Very good. R says R. Crayon down, finger on the dot. R says R. Okay, now we have a blank spot and we're going to write it all by ourselves. And I need to hear your voice. R says R. Very good. And just remember to always use the hand you write with when you're writing, and to trace with the hand you write with, and to hold the paper down with your other hand so that you have a nice, neat paper. Mrs. Solomon wasn't able to hold the paper down because she's holding her phone to do the recording. So that sometimes makes it hard. Okay, now we're going to do a sentence Oops, I can't do that. All right, now I'm going to do a sentence. And we have all of our lines there. Okay, the sentence is, the first time I just want you to listen. We're not going to write and we're not going to pound. We're just going to listen. A rat is in the hut. You might be thinking, Mrs. Salmon, what is a hut? A hut is a little outside building, kind of like a little barn or a shed. A hut is someplace that an animal could live. Now, you say it with me. A rat is in the hut. Okay, now say it by yourselves. Make sure you're pounding. All right, very good. Now we're going to point. Point along. A rat is in the hut. All right. A rat is in the hut. Now say it by yourself. Okie doke. Now remember to look at the first letter there, the first line. Remember, the first letter has a mountain, which reminds us that we need to make it a capital. And the first word is A. So when we make a capital A, we start at the top of the attic, we do a big line down, go hop back up to the top of the attic, another big line down, and then a small line across. A. All right. A rat. We need to tap this one. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. R. What letter says R? You're right, R. We just did R. Remember, it starts at the top of the ceiling. Small line down, small line up, little tiny curve. Rat. R-A. A. A says A. Rat. R-A-T. T. Top of the attic for our T says T. A rat is. The next word is. I-S. Is. A rat is in. Another sight word. In. I-N. A rat is in the. T-H-E. The. A rat is in the hut. Fingers out. H-A-T. Hut. What letter says H? You're right. H. H says hut.